Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are all fine. So today we are going to start our sixth lesson from chapter number 2, World Climate. Dear students, today our topics are climate change, natural climatic changes, what kind of human activities are responsible for climate change, what are the effects of climate change, how can we as an individual control the climate change? Learning outcomes. You can define and explain the climate changes. You can easily explain about the human activities which are the causes of climate change. You can able to explain climate change effects. You can easily explain the how you can play an important role in control of climate change. Okay, dear students, do you know what is climate change? Change in atmospheric temperature is called climate change. Okay, dear students, let's check out the climate change in detail. The Earth's average temperature is about 15 Celsius, but has been much higher and lower in past. There are natural fluctuations in the climate, but scientists say temperatures are now rising in different parts of Earth faster than at many other times. Scientists believe we are adding to the natural greenhouse effect with gases released from industry and agriculture, trapping more energy and increasing the temperature of Earth. Dear students, simply we can say that the world has perfect temperature to keep all living things alive and happy. This temperature depends on balance. Dear students, do you know very well? The sun's heat goes to Earth to make it warm. The sun's heat bounces back to space to make Earth cool. When this balance lost, the climate change. Natural climate changes. Variations in the climate have occurred, such as the medieval warm period and little ice age. There could be variations causes, for example, solar activity. But that doesn't change the fact that more CO2 will cause warming. The Earth's climate has changed many times before. This is called natural climate change. Okay, dear students, there are some main natural reasons of climate changes are first reason of climate change is volcanic eruptions. Second reason is changes in the sun's energy and changes in the orbit of Earth. Third one is greenhouse gases also makes the Earth warmer. They trap heat from the sun. Human activities and climate change. On Earth, human activities are changing the natural greenhouse. Over the last century, the burning of fossil fuels like coal and oil has increased the concentration of atmospheric carbon dioxide. This happens because the coal or oil burning process combines carbon with oxygen in the air to make CO2. To a less extent, the clearing of land for agriculture, industry, and other human activities has increased concentrations of greenhouse gases. Okay, dear students, let's check out the main human activities which are responsible for climate change. Number one is human build more and more buildings. Number two is we burn coal to make electricity. Number three, we cut lots of trees. Number four is we burn oil to run our cars and other vehicles. Fifth one is we burn coal to cook food. Sixth one is we use fertilizer for our crops. Seventh one is we plant a lot of rice. Eighth one is we dump lot of trash on landfills. Next one is factories are produce harmful gases like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide. 10 is emission from vehicles. Effects of climate change. Warmer conditions will lead to more evaporation and precipitation overall, but individual regions will vary, some becoming wetter and others drier. A stronger greenhouse effect will warm the oceans and partially melt glaciers and other ice, increasing sea level. Ocean waters also will expand if it warms, contributing further to sea level rise. Meanwhile, some crops and other plants may respond favorably to increased atmospheric CO2, like rice, growing more vigorously and using water more efficiently. At the same time, high temperatures and shifting climate pattern may change the areas where crops grow best and affect the makeup of natural plant communities. For example, some important effects of climate change are: number 1, seas are rising; 2, shrinking glaciers; 3, storms are getting stronger; 4, some places are getting drier or wetter; fifth one is even the some seas are getting warmer. Number 6 is ice sheets are melting; 7, ecosystem balance is destroying; 8, health risks are rising through air temperatures and heat waves; 9 one is hunger and water crises are increasing. 10th one is many countries are losing their main dry season water source. 11, marine life is destroyed. 12, rising temperatures have worsened extreme weather events. Chunks of ice in Antarctic have broken apart. 14, wildfire seasons are months longer. 15, mosquitoes are expanding their territory, able to spread disease like dengue and malaria. Okay, dear students, our next topic is how we can control climate change as an individual. There are some main solutions. For example, number 1, use only LED bulbs. Number 2, invest in energy efficient appliances. 3, recycle old appliances. 4, keep your electronics from drawing excess energy. 5th, stop throwing away food. 6th one, go on a climate friendly diet. 7, use recycled things. 8, buy less bottled water. 9, use less water. Save water. 10 is buy green power and consider solar panels. 11, plant a tree. 12, drive less. 13, drive a fuel efficient car or better yet an electric vehicles. Next one is replace roughly old windows with double pane Energy Star rated windows. Next, make sure your fridge and freezer doors seal tightly when closed. Next one is use a programmable thermostat. Next point is adjust your washing machine settings and clean the dryer lint filter after each cycle. Next, consider a heat pump water heater or hybrid model. Next one is check the air filter on your furnace every month. Next, turn down the temperature on your water heater. Service your vehicle regularly. Fly less often. Use a laptop or mini desktop. And last one is stop the paper wasting habit. Okay, dear students, today our home task is question number 4, 8, and 9. Question number 4. What is climate change? Answer. Change in atmospheric temperature is called climate change. यानी जब आपका एटमॉस्फेयर का टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा या कम होता है तो आपके क्लाइमेट के अंदर चेंजेस आती हैं. Question number 8. What kind of human activities are responsible for climate change? Answer is the use of fossil fuels, destruction of forest areas for agriculture purposes, deforestation in general, manufacture of cement, chemicals, metals, etc. are some of the factors that are responsible for climate change. Question number 9. What can you as an individual do to control climate change? Answer is many activities can be undertaken to reduce climate change. For example, using less electricity, save water, planting more trees, walking or bicycling inside of using a car, recycling material, buy less plastic, etc. Okay, dear students, complete your home task and learn it. Okay, dear students, let's start our bookwork page, page number 30. Our first part is A part. Study the table on page 9 and then answer these questions. First one is the place with the highest annual rainfall. Answer is the hill station of Murray, 1789.3 mm. Second one is the place with the lowest annual rainfall. This place is Nokundi, 35.3 mm. Third one is the place with the lowest average winter temperature. Answer is Koita, minus 2.0 Celsius. Fourth one is the place with the highest average summer temperature. Answer is Jakbabad, 36.9 Celsius. Fifth one is compare the climates of Murray and Koita. How are they like and how do they differ? Fifth one's answer is the average winter temperature in Koita can go as low as minus 2 Celsius and the average temperature in summer can also go high to 25 to 25.6 Celsius, whereas Murray's average winter temperature is 3.7 Celsius and maximum temperature in summer is 20.6 Celsius. Murray gets 1789.3 mm of rainfall annually and Koita gets 260.8 mm. Both the places have low temperatures. However, Murray gets a lot more rain than Koita. Guidelines for parents. All the main points discussed in the lecture. Make sure students listen the lecture carefully. Question number 9, 8 and 4 discussed in the lecture. So ask your child to do 4th, 8th, 9th question. Make sure that spellings should be correct while writing answers. Make sure your child learn the home task on daily basis. Thank you.